Okay, bike check time. This is the State Bicycle Company OG Klunker Free and Easy Edition. You see it's got this nice visuals, awesome paint job, good graphics. Comes with this sweet frame bag that's themed with the bike. Don't trip. We've got the State Bicycle Company handlebar bag. This is the Bob Marley variety, made of hemp. So it's really nice, very durable. Nothing special, factory tires. I did switch out my pedals. Just got these on Amazon. And I've got some corky grips here that I added too. The grips that came with it were okay, but I wanted some lock-ons. There's some cool features, a little flare on the ends of the grips that focuses. This saddle, if you're not wearing a chamois, you're gonna have a bad time. Most people will, unless you're a hard ass. Then it's your match made in heaven seat. That is the State Bicycle Company OG Klunker. And we're riding through here on a little easement next to this creek called Joe's Creek. And I don't know how far this easement goes. I usually just ride up from 49th to 58th Street. And occasionally I've gone north of 49th, but I eventually want to explore this whole easement, see what the total distance is you can do riding this all the way through. Theoretically, this creek should dump into the ocean, so maybe you can go almost all the way. I'm sure at some point there's obstacles. Anyways, back to the ride.